Hello, I'm Kirstin Vonderstein, and I'm working as a staff scientist at the Biomedical imaging unit in Helsinki. And we are part of the Helsinki Bioimaging platform together with another light microscopy core facility on the other campus, an electron microscopy facility, and a high content imaging facility. So together we can offer our users quite a broad range of techniques, starting from the basics like confocal and wide field spinning disk, but then also super resolution light sheet, and then the high content and the electron microscopy. And we are also part of the Finnish Euro-BioImaging node. And I would like to highlight a few of the remote training stuff we did so far. So the first thing we had planned for spring 2020, we had planned an on-site bioimage analysis course, and you all know what happened then. Which meant we were not able to run this course on site, but we had to move it online. And as we always had like a really high demand on these bioimage analysis courses already before, we decided that it would be good to expand the course a bit so that many of our researchers could participate, and that in addition, we thought it would be also nice to actually open it up to an international audience. And basically the course had a whole day of lectures and then a lot of hands-on workshops. And it was a course which was very well received. 1/3 of the attendants were international, and we got a lot of very positive feedback about that course. I think at that time there was really a high demand for an online course like this, and there weren't much choices available yet. I think now there's much more variety, but at that point, I think choices were still a bit limited. Then the second thing, which we originally had planned as an on-site event, was a call for help for our platform users. So the idea is that the users can basically come, bring their imaging data, and together with the core facility staff from the whole platform can basically brainstorm how to best analyze their image, discuss their workflows. But basically this we also then had to move online, and we are now doing this once a month via Zoom, and it's very well attended. Then, as you already heard today, hands-on microscope training is a very crucial thing for a core facility. So that's like our daily business. And we were very lucky in Finland that after a short time, we were allowed to be back in person with the people in the room, but not for like extended times, but for short time. So we decided to set up the microscope trainings as a hybrid. So that means we would first go with the people to show them how to operate the microscope body itself, put the sample, focus the sample. And then when we felt they were comfortable, we would leave them. I would go to my office, sit there very comfortable, and let the users themselves sweat at the microscope. And then I would like online guide them through the software, kind of in Zoom, with a pen, kind of painting where they would have to click, and the user would be the one who is operating the microscope. And the advantage of doing this from the office and not from far away was that if anything unexpected happened, I could just run over and help the user. And I think that gave the users a lot of confidence to operate the microscope on their own. And then the users were very, very happy with this format, but we still thought it might be good to, in addition, develop some video training material so that the users already before the training could go through the material so that it's like even easier for them to follow. And so we created basically a whole set of training videos. And even now, when we have went back to actually do the hands-on training in person again, the users will still, before they come, watch these videos. And this has been like very well received by our users. And it's like actually amazing to see how well they are able to operate the microscope, which they have never seen before after watching these videos. And to enable them to also use the videos later on to recall if they have forgotten something. We have an index. It's just like a small thing, but I think this is actually helping our users a lot to go back to the videos and not needing to watch all of them again, but just being able to check the parts which they want to revise. And these videos then basically led to the development of a whole online training course or material in Moodle. So there we have gathered our own material, but also we have used material which was already available, but we have tried in this Moodle course to make this as tailored as possible for our users and their needs. So in this Moodle, they find like the videos for the online training, but they also find, for example, which I find like during the pandemics, very important that they know how to keep the microscope in a good shape if they are there on their own. And for example, there we have used and adapted videos from Jennifer Waters from the Nikon Imaging Center, which I found like really helpful and was very happy that we're allowed to use. And there's also a lot of stuff on image analysis there, some stuff like from the courses which we recorded and edited so that the users actually could go through the software workshops on their own. And then just one last little thing I would like to share is that I feel that online material is only basically useful for the users if they can access it very easily and can find it. So therefore we put it like on all our computer screens at all the microscopes, these little QR codes, which they can scan so that they directly come to our wiki with the technical information and also find like these training videos and even the booking system very fast. So yeah, thank you.
Great, thank you.